Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's DTI tutorial, we are taking her from Royal Gardens to the high fashion runway. So here I'm going to recreate this Princess Daisy from Super Mario in DTI. So let's just get started to create this look. So first let's start with the hair. So I'm going to wear this hair in here, color it brown using this hex code, and then I'm going to combine it with this hair also in the same color, and lastly this hair in here, and change all the color into the same color like before. So for the second hair, I'm going to just use the bangs like this. Now when you are done with the hair, let's get the outfit. So first there are for the dress, I'm going to use this code items. So I'm going to wear this dress and also this top. I'm going to use this skirt first. So for the first color, you're going to use this color in here. So copy my hex code, and for the second and the rest of the color, use this brown color, and also copy this hex code. Okay, so when you are done with the skirt, you can use this top, but toggle it into just color and change all the color into white. And now let's complete the look. So for the top, first I'm going to wear this t-shirt up here and change the color using the same color like the skirt, this orange color, and also put on this tank top with the love print on it, and again with the same color. And for the heart or the love icon, you can use this, so it will look like the gems in the dress. And lastly, I'm going to put on this gloves, this one, and change it or toggle it into gloves and change the color all white. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this heels, change the color to brown like the dress. And lastly, for the tiara, I'm going to just wear I don't have the tiara or the crown, so I'm going to just use this hat piece and adjust the position so that it will look like tiara, like this. Okay, you can change all the gems into same green color like on the shirt. And this is the final result. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more legendary transformations in DTI. Bye!